Every drive-thru, every combo meal, every one fries with that, McDonald's invented that world. It started tiny. Two brothers, Dick and Mac McDonald, running a little BBQ place in San Bernardino. Cars lined up, but service was slow, plates broke, and teenagers hung around forever. So they shut it down and rebuilt the whole idea from scratch. No waiters, no plates. A tiny menu, burgers, fries, shakes, and a kitchen like a factory line. They called it the Speedee Service System. Customers got food in seconds, not minutes. Cheap, identical, insanely fast. People lost their minds. Then a milkshake-machine salesman named Ray Kroc showed up and saw a gold mine. He franchised the Golden Arches across America, while the brothers stayed local. Eventually, Kroc bought them out and turned a roadside stand into a corporate empire. Burger King, Wendy's, KFC, they all copied the McDonald's playbook. Same assembly line kitchen, same franchise machine, same fast food as a way of life. From two brothers flipping burgers to a mega corporation feeding the planet. If that blew your mind a little, hit like and subscribe for more.